See, this is the multimeter. Multimeter is a portable range instrument used for measurement of current, voltage and resistance. Basically, multimeter are of two types, that is analog and digital. So, this is the digital multimeter. So, the front panel of this digital multimeter consists of digital display panel, then selector or rotary switch. With the help of this rotary switch, we can choose any quantity which you can measure. Then common input connector, then V means volt, then ohm input connector, DC current input connector, then some digital multimeter provide special function for transistor and diode test, power measurement and decibel measurement. So with the help of this multimeter in our practical we can measure the AC current. Then we can do the connection as per the circuit diagram. So this is the first circuit diagram of our experiment is the measurement of AC current. So as per this circuit diagram we can do the connection. First, single phase 230 volt AC supply is given to this circuit. Then auto transformer is connected. It is also called as variac. So the phase terminal of this auto transformer is directly connected to the common terminal of this ammeter. Then the range terminal of this ammeter is connected to the first terminal of this load bank. Then the second terminal of this load bank is connected to the neutral terminal of this auto transformer. Here this is the rheostat. Rheostat is optional. Okay, then we can connect the digital multimeter for measuring the AC current. Then we can do the connection as per this circuit diagram. So first, single phase 230 volt supply is given to this circuit. Okay, then single phase auto transformer or variac is connected having two terminal. This one is the phase and this one is the neutral and having the range 0 to 260 volt. Then the phase terminal of this auto transformer is connected to the common terminal of this ammeter. Then the range terminal, that is 2.5 ampere, is connected to the first terminal of this resistive load bank. Then the second terminal of this resistive load bank is connected to the neutral terminal of this auto transformer. Okay, then we can measure the current with the help of digital multimeter. So we can connect the digital multimeter for measuring the AC current. See, we can connect the digital multimeter for measuring the AC current. So this is the complete setup for measurement of AC current. Then as per the procedure we can take the reading. So first, increase the output voltage of dimmer stat up to the rated voltage or value, means we can vary the voltage up to the 230 volt. Then switch on the load bank switches gradually, means we can on the load bank switches. Then record the current in the observation table after measuring with the DMM, means we can record the values of which shows ammeter and show the digital multimeter and repeat the same procedure for taking the further reading. So first we can switch on the AC supply, then we can vary the voltage of auto transformer up to the rated voltage with the help of this knob. Up to the rated voltage means 230 volt. Okay, see, the ammeter does not shows the current or digital multimeter also does not shows the current. So we can, because the load switches is in off position, so we can on first switch of this resistive load bank. So see, ammeter shows the reading which is 1 ampere. Then digital multimeter shows 1.50. Okay, so ammeter shows 1 ampere and digital multimeter shows 1.50. Then we can take second reading for repeating the same procedure. So we can switch on the second load bank switch and take the second reading of ammeter. So how to calculate this reading? We can do 1.75 minus 1.5. So we can calculate the value of this single line. So we can do 1.75 minus 1.5 is equal to 0.25, and we count the line between in these two values, so which is 10. So divide by 10. So the value of single line is 0.025. So we can count the lines from this 1.5. Okay, so pointer is here, means 3 lines. So 0.05 into 3 is equal to 0.075. And from which value we can count this line, which is 1.5. So we can add 1.5. So the ammeter reading is 1.57. Then we can take the digital multimeter reading, which is 1.28. Okay, then similarly we can take the third reading by switch on the third load switch. See, the ammeter reading is 2.25 ampere and digital multimeter reading is 1.17 or 1.20. So we can measure the values of AC current with the help of ammeter or with the help of this digital multimeter. So you can write down the values of AC current in observation table. Okay, then we can see the second practical setup for measurement of AC voltage. So see, the single phase 230 volt supply is given, then the phase terminal of this auto transformer is directly connected to the common terminal of this voltmeter, and from the common terminal of this voltmeter is connected to the first terminal of this load bank. Then the second terminal of this load bank is connected to the range terminal of this voltmeter, and then from range terminal it is connected to the neutral of this auto transformer. So with this circuit diagram we can make the connection. Okay, so first single phase 230 volt supply is given, then the auto transformer is connected having range 0 to 260 volt, having two terminal, phase and neutral. So phase terminal is connected to the common terminal of this voltmeter, then common terminal of this voltmeter is connected to the first terminal of this resistive load bank, then the second terminal of this resistive load bank is connected to the range terminal, that is 250 volt terminal, and then the range terminal of this voltmeter is directly connected to the neutral terminal of this auto transformer. Then the digital multimeter is connected for measuring the AC voltage. So we can move this selector knob to AC voltage. Then as per the procedure we can take the reading. So increase the output voltage of dimmer stat up to the rated voltage or value, that is the 230 volt. Then switch on the load bank switches gradually in step, or then take the digital multimeter reading and AC voltmeter reading. This is a similar procedure for AC current measurement. So first we can switch on the AC supply, then vary the voltage up to the 230 volt with the help of this auto transformer. So we can vary the voltage up to the 230 volt. Okay, then switch on the first load switch and then take the reading. So voltmeter reading is 230 volt and the digital multimeter reading is 251 volt. Okay, this is the first reading. Then take the second reading. Switch on the second load switch. So digital multimeter reading is voltmeter reading is 225 volt and digital multimeter reading is 249.2 volt. Then take the third reading by switch on the third load switch. See, the voltmeter reading is 225 volt and the digital multimeter reading is 248.1 volt. Okay, so you can also take more reading for repeating the same procedure. So this is the practical for measurement of AC voltage. We can see the last part of our practical, that is measurement of DC voltage. So the circuit diagram for measurement of DC voltage is similar to that of measurement of AC voltage. The only change is that we can use voltmeter or load bank. Each in AC voltage is AC, but in DC measurement we can use the DC voltmeter or DC load bank and DC supply. So as per this circuit diagram we can do the connection. So first 230 volt DC supply is given having two terminal, positive and negative. So the positive terminal of this DC supply is connected to the common terminal of this voltmeter. Then the common terminal of this voltmeter is connected to the first terminal of this resistive load bank. Then the second terminal of this resistive load bank is connected to the range terminal, that is 300 volt terminal of this voltmeter, and this range terminal is connected to the negative terminal of this DC supply. Then for measurement of DC voltage we can connect this multimeter and select the knob or selector switch of this digital multimeter to DC voltage. Okay, then we can take the reading as per the procedure. So procedure is similar for the measurement of AC voltage. So first we can switch on this DC supply, then switch on the first load switch and then take the voltmeter reading. So the pointer is between 200 and 240. So we can calculate the value of single line is 200 minus 240 minus 200 is equal to 40. Divide by count the number of line in between them, which is 10. So divide 10 is equal to 4. So the value of single line is 4 into from 200 count the number of lines where the pointer, so which is 6. So 4 into 6 is equal to 20 plus from which value we count this 6 line is 200. So add 200. So 2 to 4. So the voltmeter reading is 2 to 4 and digital multimeter reading is 2 to 7.8. Then we can on the second load switch or take the second reading. See, the pointer is where from 200 is the 5 lines. So 4 into 5 is equal to 20 plus 200. So the voltmeter reading is 220 and the digital multimeter reading is 2 to 5.4. Okay, so this is the second reading. And then we'll take the last reading, switch on the third load switch and then take the reading. See, the pointer is 4 lines. So 4 into 4 plus 200. So 216. Voltmeter reading is 216 and the digital multimeter reading is 2 to 3.8. Okay, so you can also take mover reading for switch on these load switches. Okay, so this is the practical for measurement of DC voltage. Then we can third part of our experiment, that is measurement of DC current. Okay, so the circuit diagram for measurement of DC current is similar to the measurement of AC current. Only change is that we can use the DC supply, then DC ammeter or DC load bank. So we can do the connection as per the circuit diagram. So first 230 volt DC supply is given, having two terminal, positive and negative. So positive terminal is connected to the positive terminal of this DC ammeter. Then the range terminal of this DC ammeter is connected to the first terminal of this load bank. Then the second terminal of this load bank is directly connected to the negative terminal of this DC supply. Okay, then as per the procedure we can take the reading. So first switch on the DC supply, then switch on the first load switch and then take the ammeter reading. So we can calculate the value of single line. So the pointer is between 0.4 and 0.5. So we can do 0.5 minus 0.4. So the value is 0.1 and divide the number of line in between them, which is 10. So value of one line is 0.01. So from 0.4 the number of line is 9. So 0.01 into 9 is 0.09 and from where we can count this value is 0.4. So plus 0.4. So ammeter reading is 0.49 and the digital multimeter reading which is 0.6. Okay, then we can take the second reading, switch on the second load switch. See, the ammeter reading is 0.01 into number of lines is 7 plus where we can count these 7 lines 0.9. So we can add 0.9. So the ammeter reading is 0.97 and the digital multimeter reading is 0.9. C, which is which is 0.13. Okay, so we can take the DC current reading with the help of this DC ammeter or digital multimeter. So you can take more reading by switch on these load switches.